In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Discord error, checking for updates and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So if you're having a trouble with the Discord whenever you are trying to log in, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is you have to minimize this and go over here in the search, and we need to type here for task manager and we have to click on this. Once you get into the task manager, what you need to do is you can try expanding this over here at the top. Now from here, go over here and type here for Discord, and what you need to do is we have to right click and go for end the task and make sure that everything is removed from here. Once everything is done, we have to close this, and what you need to do is the next thing we have to go over here, type here for control panel. Now we need to click on this. Once you get into the control panel, what you need to do is just make sure the view by, change this to the category. And from here, what you need to do is go to the network and internet. From here, what you need to do is we have to click on network and sharing center. And right now, click on change adapter settings. Now from here, you have to select in which you're having the connection. So if you're having the Wi-Fi, you have to right click and go to the properties. So in my case, I'm having the connection with the Ethernet, so I have to right click and go to the properties. Now from here, I have to go to the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and go to the properties. Now we have to give a value here. So what you need to do is the value is 8888 and go for 884 and 4. This is the value, and once you give this value, go for OK and you have to close it. Once you get into this, what you need to do is you have to close this. Now try open the Discord back and you have to check. Most probably the issue might be fixed, but if you're still facing the issue, you don't have to worry. What you need to do is we have to go over here, type here for Discord, and from here we have to click on open file location. Now once again you have to go over here, right click and go to open file location, and from here you can see there is a file with update. You have to right click, and from here go to show more option and go to the properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now from here, make sure that you put a check on to run this program in the compatibility board. Then put a check on to run this program as an administrator. Just go for apply and go for OK. Once you set this up, you have to right click and go for run as administrator, and just wait. When you click on this, there are two criteria that you're going to face over here. Sometimes for some users, when they click on this, it's gonna ask you some question like this. For some users, and I'm not saying for everyone, so when you get this kind of question like this, what you need to do is you have to go to no launch the troubleshooter. So what happens is this is going to launch the Windows default troubleshooter over here, and it is going to ask you some questions where you have to give answers politely. And what happens is this is going to search whether the Discord is going through any kind of an issue. So if you wanted to consent with the run diagnostics over here, you can just go for yes if you wanted to. So it will be cross-checking everything from the Windows end and helps you to fix it out. But if you don't want it, you can just click on no and you can just close it and you can move to the next step over here. After trying with this, what you need to do is we have to go over here. We need to type here for the run command and just press enter. And now we need to type %local app data % and just go for it OK. And what you need to do is we have to scroll it down over here, and right now you'll be able to find the Discord. Now from here you have to just delete it. After deleting, you have to go back to the app data. From here, what you need to do is we have to navigate to the roaming. From here, what you need to do is we have to find the Discord from here as well. Now once you find the Discord over here somewhere else here, you will be able to find it. Now if you find the Discord folder here, just go for delete it, and once you delete it, what you need to do is you have to close it. Now go over here in the search, and we need to type here for settings, and you have to click on this. Now from here, once you pop up with the setting, go to the apps. Now go to installed apps. Now over here you have to type here for Discord, so just type Discord here like this. And if you find the Discord with the filtering over here, once you find the Discord, you have to click on the three-dot menu, go for uninstall option. Afterwards, we have to reinstall it back. We can try two-step. One, try downloading it from over here like this. You can go to the Google search, type here for Discord over here like this, and you have to just press enter and go to the Discord official site and try downloading this. Or what you need to do is we can try with the alternative way, that is all about go to the Microsoft Store, and from here what you need to do is we have to just go over here sign up for Discord, and from here you have to click on this. Now from here, go to the Discord. What I'm saying is try downloading from this rather than download from the Chrome, because this particular version of the Discord is actually much stable and more stable version. Go for this and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.